Whoa! It floats! Hey! What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. And today, we are going to start a new series called Fun with Science. Our first topic is about how does a big and heavy ship float on water? Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about the basics. An object will either float or sink in water depending on its density. If the density is higher than water, it will sink. If the density is lower than water, it will float. What is density? The density of an object is its total mass divided by its total volume. For example, I have this cotton ball. The reason why it's so not dense is because it has a lot of empty spaces in it. So, if I want to make it more dense, I have to squeeze it into a smaller ball. As you can see, the mass is same, but the volume decreased, hence making it denser. Here, I have a ball made from modeling clay. So let's pretend this is a metal ball used for building a ship. So let's weigh this. As you can see, it is about around 20 grams. Let's see what happens if I put this ball into the water. As you can see, it's very dense, so it sinks. Now, let's use this modeling clay to make a boat. Here I have my boat. Let's weigh it. Wow, it's the same, 20 grams. Now let's put it into the water. Whoa, it floats. How does it do that? In this experiment, I have increased the volume of a clay ball while remaining its mass. By doing so, I lowered the density of the clay ball to a point where it is lower than the density of water. Hence, I made a sinking clay ball into a floating clay ship. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on another episode of Fun with Science. Bye! See you in the next video. Bye!
Let us make a sinking ship by adding water into the ship.
Okay, if you say so. It's